please come to me today. Do you think that pronunciation was correct? Do you like it? No, you don't like it, I guess. But if I say in this way, please come to me today. Please come to me today. Now, that was great, just like native speakers, right? Do you want to learn this magical pronunciation technique? So this video is for you. Hello everyone, this is Rodushi. I'm a 7th grader from the Government Students College, and my unique identity is I'm a TESOL learner. So now I'm going to show you 3 magical sounds. After learning this sound, you can pronounce 30 or 40% words in correct way. So now let me show you. Number 1, pa. Pa. We pronounce it p, p, but it's like p, pa, pa, p, pa, pa, p. It's p. It's not p. We pronounce p, but it's wrong. It will be p. If we pronounce this p as p, then we can see some magical things like we pronounce pen, pencil, but now we will pronounce pen because we know it will be p. So we will pronounce pen, pencil, pot. You can see pet. We will pronounce p, pa, pa. Then we can correct our words with p, pen, pencil, pot. You can see pet, pa, pa, pet. And now second one, T. We pronounce it as T, but it will be T. T, T, T. Tap, ten, top, tiger, T, T, top. We pronounce top, 10. Then tiger, but now we will pronounce tiger, T, top, 10, T, T, T. You can see table, T. We're pronouncing T, and the sound is correct. And now it's time for 3 more. Then in number 3 there are 3 sounds. They are sounds same. K is K, Q, and C. We pronounce K, but it will be K, K, but it will be K. Pronounce with me, K, K. And then we pronounce Q, but it will be Q, Q. And we pronounce like queen. We pronounce queen, king, but it will be king, queen, queen, king. And we pronounce can with C. We pronounce can, but we will can, can. If we see C, K, and Q, then we will pronounce can, kite, king, queen, quart, quart. So now, hope you hope you understand, but now I have something to tell you. If you can understand my lesson, you can correct your many words. Now we can say, এবার শুদ্ধভাবে ইংরেজি শিখবে পুরো বাংলাদেশ. So, ta-da!